First of all, gold daily time frame. This vertical price action on gold have shocked everyone. And main question is where it will go next from here. This 1984 was last big resistance for gold. After breakout of this level, because Friday it tried but candle could not close above 1984. After this level, nobody can stop gold buyer from FOMO buying. And after breakout of 1860, we have already declared bullish market, and this vertical action is just beginning. More it goes above 1984, more big player will buy gold. And if you compare these top and bottom, then right on the top they confuse trader with the Ukraine war and hiked 5% interest rate. Now right at this bottom they are confusing trader with their Israel war. Right now gold is going up while yield are also going up. This never happened, and US news company is now feeling like an insult. They cannot tell you why this is happening, because if they tell the reason, then entire financial market will change. So war is to confuse people. Their monetary policy have changed. Right now we are in next interest rate trend, rate pause, and your future trend is rate cut. If you see this price level, 1885 mean July was last hike, 1920 means May 2024 will be your first rate cut. And since price did not test it $2,000 last week, but real price is 2080. When price reach there 2080, then I will tell everyone what you are missing. Market pricing is not done. For that forecast, our target is 2080, but it will stay above 1920 because rate cut will start before May 2024. And if you compare this March month price action and this October month price action is same to same, price length is also same to same, but there is a big change. After Silicon Valley Bank collapse, market was expecting rate cut, but they hike in March, and that surging yield again change market and FOMC panic. Right here your rate hike has completely end, but compared to last time there will be no more hike. So it will go up more and it will go in vertical line, not like this, like in past up and down sideways correction. And last week you saw Fed speech. Before that all the FOMC members were dovish, but before Fed speech they were earning reports, and one bank said because of collapsing bond they face zero loss. Immediately Fed tone change. Before that what all of the FOMC members said is not important, only Fed chair speech important. CEO are saying everything is okay, that's why Fed is saying everything is okay. And he had made one thing is clear, that there will be no cut this year. And if you are still confused, if Fed was hawkish, then why gold is going up again? Then this is second time Fed has again said Milton Friedman is wrong. But this is wrong, and Powell is again saying what 50 years ago Milton Friedman said is wrong completely. First he said inflation is temporary. Now he is saying lag effect monetary policy does not work in today's world. He is ignoring lag effect of 5% vertical rate hike. That's why gold is going up since Fed speech. Fed speech this week is also important. Soon he will give another speech, and before that we have blackout period. Only important thing right now is Fed is saying Milton Friedman is wrong. And big support level right now is 1907, but deep correction is not possible. Maximum it can come up to 1950, and because of this war which have already ended when Biden said their biggest empire in human history, now risk of stagflation is higher. And problem with stagflation is if long term bond yield does not go down, then Fed has to do short term interest rate cut, because there is a big gap between tips and gold price. So either Fed cut interest rate aggressively soon, or gold go back below 1600, or bank who said they have zero loss, they are lying. So short term it can make correction up to 1950, but there is a huge crowd waiting to buy gold. So 1984 your last resistance, after that no limit for gold price, and only one support 1950. Below that there is FOMO buying and nothing else. For me, gold is not overbought. This is just beginning. If you see weekly time frame, then it is ready to break out triple top. Trend line is also broken. Same buyer who bought gold after Silicon Valley bank run, they dump, they buy again. Monthly chart, there is only one resistance 1989. After that, no limit on monthly time frame. Their experiment started here in 2013, failed first time in 2018, failed again this year when FOMC member were panicked. For intraday H4 time frame, this area from 1981 to $2000 is your resistance zone. From here you can see short term correction, but this is last resistance. After breakout there is no limit, and your first and nearest support level is 1947. If 1947 level retest or below 1981, you can buy. Final last chart H1 time frame. I am again saying these are value investor. They never see chart and never see H1 time frame. And 1947 is your only support and 1981 is only resistance. And when price will hit 2080 level, then I will explain what you are missing. Before that, keep searching what you are missing. News this week, 25 October, BOC interest decision, 26 October jobs claim, PCE, GDP, and ECB press conference. Then Friday, last news, core PCE and inflation expectation. All the big news this week, GDP and core PCE.